Hi, I'm Philip Bass from MSolutions, so we're here at ISE 2020, and I just want a couple of minutes of your time to tell you a little bit about our tester, the MS Test Pro. This is the second generation tester, the MS 401B, which is an HDBaseT tester. It's a modular portable based system, and we include an HDMI cable tester. We also do DCR resistance testing as well to check the integrity of the cable quality. This year we're actually showcasing two new things. One is our new GUI, which looks very nice. It's very intuitive, very easy to use, much more like an app. So when you want to remote access the device from your phone or mobile, it will look familiar. And we also have a new IP testing as well. So we're now moving into the video over IP space, where we're having a fully comprehensive IP testing capabilities for video over IP installations. So within the next couple of months, we will have a complete all-in-one tester that will cover HDBaseT, HDMI, DCR, and video over IP, all for a very affordable price. We are the only tester in the market that has certification. So you can see here, we actually provide the client with, we have a one-button certification test, which means the installer can actually then hand some paperwork to the client to show them that they've done a good 100% quality job. And what that will do is reduce the number of callbacks. So this tester really should be in every technician's part of their toolkit, and it will save the installer time and money by reducing the number of callbacks. On average, we're reducing callbacks by around 40% based on the feedback we've had from our current customer base. And so please come over and take a look at the products, and we also hope to see you next year in Barcelona.